Are you looking for a job, or are you looking to be part of history? There are 4 key career pathways that you can get involved in. One of those is aircraft, spacecraft, engine and component manufacturing is one career pathway. Another career pathway is aftermarket support services. Next one is business and management operations, and also regulatory and public service. And within each one of those different career pathways, there are specializations that you can get involved in to be able to pursue within your career. Some of those within the aircraft, spacecraft, engine and component manufacturing is that you can get involved with production and assembly management, you can get involved with quality management, process improvement, safety management systems, service engineering as well, accident investigation, and also aircraft and engine certification and compliance as one of those pathways. Another pathway you can get involved in is also aftermarket support services. These include jobs such as customer support, field service, technical operations, service centers, maintenance, repair and overhaul, logistics and supply chain, aircraft records and engine health monitoring, and also you can get involved with training. The next one that you can get involved in is business and management operations. Specializations in business and management operations includes business operations development, aircraft leasing and acquisition, fleet and asset management, marketing and sales, flight department management, and also risk management and insurance, just to name a few. In the career pathway related to regulatory and public services, you can get involved in the Federal Aviation Administration, the National Transportation Safety Board in accident investigations. You can also get involved with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, also the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Organization, NOAA, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, local and state law enforcement, aerial firefighting, Part 147 airframe and power plant maintenance technician schools, and also you can get involved with education such as community college, universities, or Part 147 schools as mentioned before. So there's a wide variety of different opportunities that you can pursue with a degree in aerospace technology management. The question is what's your passion? And use your passion to lead you to a tremendous amount of opportunities that are out there. Space technology is also another career path that you can get involved in. The Federal Aviation Administration is making commercial space more and more accessible, and we're seeing more and more aerospace companies actually get involved with space technologies. By 2050, we're going to have over 100 space flights per year. That means we're going to have 2 launches per week. This provides a tremendous amount of opportunity for people like yourselves to actually get involved with the space program, whether it be for space flight, space reentry, or whether it be maintenance or repair of the spacecraft to turn them back around and have them launch into space, whether it be space exploration, and actually be involved with being part of a space crew that could either have a lunar colony or maybe even a Mars colony. The reality is that there are opportunities within aerospace technology to get involved with space companies. The future is really yours to pursue. The unique things that are related to space careers and space technology is the fact that there's no room for error. Everything has to be perfect. And there's a very, very high standard that is expected and required for safe and economical space flight. We can't afford spacecraft to have accidents. And as a result, everything has to be perfect. And so if you're interested in pursuing a career that has very, very high standards, and you want to be in high technology, leading edge technology, space programs and space companies are excellent pathways to be able to pursue. There's a variety of skill sets that are needed within the aerospace industry. They could be skill sets such as business. If you want to get involved with business and finance and accounting, the aerospace industry needs you. If you have a skill set in robotics, mechatronics, software, programming, IT, computer science, the aerospace industry has a huge amount of opportunities that are for you. If you have a high mechanical aptitude, you like to work with your hands, you like to work with tools, you like to build things, you like to fix things, the aerospace industry definitely has a job for you. Everything that's out there, whether it flies in the air or flies into space, sometimes things break and they have to be repaired and they have to be fixed. And we need the skill sets that are necessary to be able to maintain and sustain those systems so that way they're safe to fly and they're safe to be able to fly your family, my family, on those very things that we have such an incredible passion for, which is airplanes, or could be spacecraft for that matter.